Question 1.
You need to make sure that all your essays are handed in on time.
Question 2.
The celebrated theory is still the source of great controversy.
Question 3.
A good architectural structure should be useful, durable and beautiful.
Question 4.
A group meeting will be held tomorrow in the library conference room.
Question 5.
Educational level is found to be related to social and economic background.
Question 6.
We can all meet at my office after the lecture.
Question 7.
Tutorials are scheduled in the final week of the term.
Question 8.
You can make an appointment to meet the librarian.
Question 9.
All dissertations must be accompanied by a submission form.
Question 10.
All of the assignments must be submitted in person to the faculty office.
Question 11.
Economic development needs to be supported by the government.
Question 12.
The toughest part of postgraduate education is funding.
Question 13.
Our view is that educational reforms have been inadequately implemented.
Question 14.
An introduction is an essential element of presentation.
Question 15.
The assignments should be submitted to the department office before the deadlines.
Question 16.
Before attending classes, you must register online or by post.
Question 17.
Certain scientific principles must be learned verbally or by logical deduction.
Question 18.
Daily practice can build confidence and improve skills.
Question 19.
The economic status of the early Roman Republic will be examined.
Question 20.
Human beings compete with other living things for resources and space.
Question 21.
Good research delivers practical benefits for real people.
Question 22.
He landed a job in a very prestigious law firm.
Question 23.
The lecture is about the reasons for the financial crisis.
Question 24.
I thought it was through the small meeting room.
Question 25.
If finance is a cause of concern, scholarships may be available.
Question 26.
If you need additional help, visit the Student Resource Center.
Question 27.
Important details from the argument are missing in the summary.
Question 28.
It may not be possible to solve the problem easily.
Question 29.
Library reference desks hold a lot of materials on academic history.
Question 30.
Listening is the key skill needed to succeed in this course.
Question 31.
Medical researchers have focused on causes of diseases and treatments.
Question 32.
Most of these students have not considered this issue before.
Question 33.
Mutually exclusive events can be described as either complementary or opposite.
Question 34.
Organizational failure is considered from various perspectives in academic literature.
Question 35.
Plants are the living things that can grow on land or in water.
Question 36.
Public perception about biotechnology is crucial for developing scientific consensus.
Question 37.
Remember, the prestigious election of stewardship has strict eligibility criteria.
Question 38.
Resources and materials are on hold at the library reference desk.
Question 39.
Many departments have their own special book collections.
Question 40.
Some economists argue that the entire financial system is fatally flawed.
Question 41.
Students have the options to live in college residences or apartments.
Question 42.
Students who are successful have good strategies for learning.
Question 43.
The application processes may take longer than expected.
Question 44.
The archaeologists were astonished by the previously overlooked foundations.
Question 45.
The cafeteria features soup, salads, sandwiches, chicken and fish.
Question 46.
The chemistry building is located near the entrance to the campus.
Question 47.
Rising inflation may indicate an increase in the demand for consumer products.
Question 48.
The faculty staff are very approachable, friendly and extremely helpful.
Question 49.
The history of the university is a long and interesting one.
Question 50.
The island is located at the south end of the bay.
Question 51.
The massive accumulation of data was converted into a communicable argument.
Question 52.
The most popular courses still have a few places left.
Question 53.
The qualification will be assessed by using a criterion-referenced approach.
Question 54.
The results of the study underscore the importance of early detection.
Question 55.
Safety glasses should be worn while doing experiments in the lab.
Question 56.
There are some doubts about whether these events actually occurred.
Question 57.
There is a clear need for further research in this field.
Question 58.
There is clearly a need for further research in this field.
Question 59.
This class will look at the structure of an essay.
Question 60.
Water filters on campus will discourage the unnecessary use of plastic bottles.
Question 61.
We have not yet achieved equality in our society.
Question 62.
We study science to understand and appreciate the world around us.
Question 63.
Parents talk to children tends to be simplified.
Question 64.
You will acquire many skills during the academic studies.
Question 65.
Speak to your tutor if you need further assistance.
Question 66.
Education and training provide important skills for the labor force.
Question 67.
There have been many changes recently in the mathematics department.
Question 68.
Those who are considering a career in marketing should attend the talk.
Question 69.
The university has invested in new technologies designed to support learning.
Question 70.
A good academic paper should present a clear argument.
Question 71.
A good research assistant is not afraid to ask questions.
Question 72.
Collaboration between departments is a feature of successful companies.
Question 73.
Enrolling in a double major may increase your career options.
Question 74.
Geography is generally divided into two main branches, human and physical.
Question 75.
In this language course, we focus on both fluency and accuracy.
Question 76.
This course provides the opportunity to get valuable industry experience.
Question 77.
Read the safety instructions before using any equipment in the workshop.
Question 78.
Essays and assignments are spread out across the academic year.
Question 79.
Continuing students will be sent the necessary application forms.
Question 80.
Calculators may not be used during the examination.
Question 81.
The elective course introduces engineering students to construction practices and concepts.
Question 82.
Our new medical students must attend the talk about optional courses.
Question 83.
A professor took 1 year off to work on her book.
Question 84.
This problem is complex and difficult to explain.
Question 85.
Scientists were unsure when the early men first left Africa.
Question 86.
The printers automatically print on both sides of each page.
Question 87.
There is a widely believed perception that engineering is for boys.
Question 88.
Time and distance are used to calculate speed.
Question 89.
Distance learning allows you to develop a career around your commitments.
Question 90.
Every student has regular meetings with his or her personal tutor.
Question 91.
Castles were designed to intimidate both local people and enemies.
Question 92.
The opening hours of the library are reduced during summer.
Question 93.
A laptop computer has been found in the biology lab.
Question 94.
His appointment as the Minister of Culture was seen as a demotion.
Question 95.
Measures must be taken to prevent the unemployment rate from increasing.
Question 96.
Request for late applications will not be accepted under any circumstances.
Question 97.
Salt is produced from seawater or extracted from the ground.
Question 98.
The news will not be received until the following week.
Question 99.
You do not need specialist knowledge to enjoy this book.
Question 100.
The area has a variety of underwater habitats and species.
Question 101.
Your ideas are discussed and debated in seminars and tutorials.
Question 102.
Our study program equips students with essential skills for university.
Question 103.
Many food crops require large amounts of water and fertilizer.
Question 104.
Classical mechanics is sometimes considered as a branch of applied mathematics.
Question 105.
Students should leave their bags on the table by the door.
Question 106.
Sea levels are expected to rise during the next century.
Question 107.
Please close the door behind you when you leave the room.
Question 108.
The department works closely with business communities.
Question 109.
There is an accounting assignment for finance students.
Question 110.
Relying on natural ability will not get you far in science.
Question 111.
We should never underestimate the power of creative design.
Question 112.
Linguistics is the scientific study and analysis of language.
Question 113.
Please return the reference book to the correct position on the library shelf.
Question 114.
Marine environments have been destroyed through pollution and unsustainable development.
Question 115.
Designers need to keep up with the social trends.
Question 116.
People have been dependent on using phones in their everyday lives.
Question 117.
A new collection of articles has just been published.
Question 118.
A visit to the designed museum is of great value.
Question 119.
The university provides excellent leisure facilities for students and staff.
Question 120.
Auditions for the university choir will be held next week.
Question 121.
A good abstract highlights the key points of your paper.
Question 122.
The Commissioner will apportion the funds among all the authorities.
Question 123.
Please note that the seminar has now been cancelled.
Question 124.
3 separate research resources are not enough for this assessment.
Question 125.
Please return your reference books to the library shelves.
Question 126.
New media journalism is an exciting area of study.
Question 127.
Rising sea temperatures are a sign of climate change.
Question 128.
The closing date of applications for travel scholarships is next Monday.
Question 129.
Before preparing food, please make sure to wash your hands.
Question 130.
The economic predictions turned out to be incorrect.
Question 131.
Students should take the training course to use the gym.
Question 132.
The momentum is defined as the combination of mass and velocity.
Question 133.
More research is needed before any definitive conclusion can be drawn.
Question 134.
You can get your coffee and tea in the lounge.
Question 135.
In my opinion, the car should be repaired.
Question 136.
The North Campus car park could be closed on Sunday.
Question 137.
Participating in the class is the center of the course.
Question 138.
The study center in the library has all the latest technologies.
Question 139.
At university, students can make friends for life.
Question 140.
Much of this research is carried out in the laboratory.
Question 141.
Technology is changing the way that media is used and studied.
Question 142.
You will be tested by continuous assessments and examinations.
Question 143.
The college operates a system of continuous assessments.
Question 144.
Scientists have founded all parts of society today.
Question 145.
Novelists write about the best things that they know about.
Question 146.
The lecture today will cover all the main reasons for global warming.
Question 147.
The rising temperature is changing the wildlife population.
Question 148.
The director of the gallery was grateful for the anonymous donation.
Question 149.
You should have awareness of how the business operates globally.
Question 150.
Art is an expression of creative skills and imagination.
Question 151.
We have sophisticated ways of studying the brain in action.
Question 152.
The article considers the leisure habits of teenagers in rural areas.
Question 153.
We learned through observations and the analysis of human behaviors.
Question 154.
The subject was complex and difficult to explain.
Question 155.
Our aim is to reduce the risks that people take.
Question 156.
Please confirm that you have received the textbook.
Question 157.
All answers must be thoroughly researched and supported by relevant theories.
Question 158.
Accountancy students have to hand in their dissertations this week.
Question 159.
His analysis study appears to be based on the false premise.
Question 160.
Visual aid can be really helpful when you are revising.
Question 161.
We encourage students to complete their applications before the deadline.
Question 162.
Graduates from this course typically pursue careers in financial sector.
Question 163.
It is a debate about the value of knowledge.
Question 164.
Strangely, people are simultaneously impressed by and skeptical about statistics.
Question 165.
The collapse of the housing market has caused recessions.
Question 166.
Calculators allow us to add numbers without making mistakes.
Question 167.
The student union hosts a variety of social events.
Question 168.
Social psychology is concerned with the understanding of human behaviors.
Question 169.
Gravity is the force that attracts two bodies toward one another.
Question 170.
The reception staff can give advice on renting private accommodation.
Question 171.
Artists need to make their works both original and accessible.
Question 172.
The archaeologists' new discoveries stand out in the previously overlooked foundations.
Question 173.
Please return the textbooks to the correct bookshelves in the library.
Question 174.
The contract will be signed by the owner of the company.
Question 175.
The glittering of the lake surface camouflages the fish.
Question 176.
Having enough sleep has many positive benefits.
Question 177.
Safety is the most important in the biology lab.
Question 178.
Assessment procedure has been changed slightly since the last year.
Question 179.
The article illustrates the intricate relationship of culture and language.
Question 180.
The tutor has cancelled the lecture for geography students.
Question 181.
All accounting students must submit their dissertations before the end of the week.
Question 182.
The next lecture will take place at a different location.
Question 183.
We should always use recycled plastic and glass bottles.
Question 184.
Plastic pollution is very dangerous for ocean lives.
Question 185.
The content is to define the combination of math and philosophy.
Question 186.
Students often conduct research to enhance their knowledge.
Question 187.
Farming is affected by changes in seasonal patterns.
Question 188.
The university library cafe is on the third floor.
Question 189.
Some students were absent due to the train delay.
Question 190.
The class is cancelled because the professor is sick.
Question 191.
We were discussing the methods used by criminals to commit crimes.
Question 192.
Maths uses numbers and shapes to solve problems.
Question 193.
The employment rate has steadily increased over the last year.
Question 194.
The professor said biology is not the only subject on the exam.
Question 195.
Participants recorded their sleep hours in the journals.
Question 196.
Effective communication is the key to becoming a successful manager.
Question 197.
Students need to register to gain access to library printers.
Question 198.
There will be a quiz class next week.
Question 199.
Please confirm your essay topic 1 week before the deadline.
Question 200.
The exam will not be posted until further notice.
Question 201.
Consumer confidence has a direct influence on sales.
Question 202.
Many universities are continuously expanding the postgraduate education online learning resources.
Question 203.
The university auditorium is around the corner.
Question 204.
The professor discussed the article yesterday in this class.
Question 205.
Please make sure you have correctly cited all the necessary materials.
Question 206.
The coffee machine located on the 3rd floor is not working today.
Question 207.
Teaching assistants play a vital role in the learning process.
Question 208.
Summer school programs allow some students to accelerate their studies.
Question 209.
The lecture will cover the reason for climate change.
Question 210.
Application forms should be submitted in 1 week.
Question 211.
The rise in sea level indicates climate change.
Question 212.
We were talking about ways of committing crimes.
Question 213.
We have been unsuccessful in finding a new manager.
Question 214.
Sugar is a compound including carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen atoms.
Question 215.
Our professor is hosting the Business Development Conference.
Question 216.
Most scientists believe that climate change threatens the lives on Earth.
Question 217.
The academic strength of the early Roman Republic will be examined.
Question 218.
Students are encouraged to monitor their studies by themselves.
Question 219.
Social media is criticized for causing internet addiction.
Question 220.
The digital camera has some advantages over traditional film.
Question 221.
Students are encouraged to think carefully about their accommodation needs.
Question 222.
Students must wear protective clothing that is provided in the medical laboratory.
Question 223.
You can use your laptops in the lecture.
Question 224.
The railway makes long-distance travel possible for everyone.
Question 225.
Traffic is the main cause of air pollution in many cities.
Question 226.
Make sure you choose a course that provides great career opportunities.
Question 227.
Air pollution is a serious problem all over the world.
Question 228.
The other book isn't thorough, but it's more insightful.
Question 229.
When the root system of a plant fails, foliage suffers.
Question 230.
The library will be closed for staff training tomorrow morning.
Question 231.
Coursework gives students the chances to thoroughly explore the subject.
Question 232.
A university degree is required for entry into various professions.
Question 233.
Affordable housing is an important issue for all members of society.
Question 234.
All of your assignments are due by tomorrow.
Question 235.
Statistical results should be expressed in different ways depending on the circumstances.
Question 236.
Food that contains antibiotics provides little or no nutritional value.
Question 237.
One of the election promises is to decrease income taxes.
Question 238.
We have a lecture in the morning on Thursday.
Question 239.
The lecture tomorrow will discuss the educational policy of the United States.
Question 240.
He wrote poetry and plays as well as scientific papers.
Question 241.
Banks charge interest on the money they lend to customers.
Question 242.
The dance department stages elaborated performances each semester.
Question 243.
While some people regard it as reforming zeal, others regard it as recklessness.
Question 244.
The student shop sells a range of stationery.
Question 245.
The course includes a combination of pure and applied mathematics.
Question 246.
Mathematics provides a foundation for understanding and analyzing data.
Question 247.
Football is played throughout all years at the university.
Question 248.
Unemployment rate has fallen to its lowest level in years.
Question 249.
Library plays an important role in students' lives.
Question 250.
Chemical reactions occur when substances combine or change.
Question 251.
It is quite clear that our facial expressions are different across the world.
Question 252.
All experimental procedures are outlined in the laboratory manual.
Question 253.
Most of the lectures begin promptly, so do not be late.
Question 254.
Check the website if you are looking for discounted textbooks.
Question 255.
Farming methods across the world have greatly developed recently.
Question 256.
Students are advised that the lecture today has been cancelled.
Question 257.
Our courses help improve critical thinking and independent learning skills.
Question 258.
Photography can be very useful to geographical research.
Question 259.
An effective business manager is always open to new ideas.
Question 260.
Philosophy uses logic and reasons to analyze human experience.
Question 261.
There is a pharmacy on campus near the bookstore.
Question 262.
Students will focus on reporting news on changing the media world.
Question 263.
Studies show there is a positive correlation between the two variables.
Question 264.
Building trust is not something that can be achieved overnight.
Question 265.
It is important to plan your study time carefully.
Question 266.
When attending a job interview, punctuality is the key.
Question 267.
Undoubtedly, this theory has a number of limitations.